play Lieutenant Tamara Johansson. She's a medic. She's quite skilled, so she's well respected, got, some power, and she's the only medical officer on board. Tamara definitely has her insecurities. I think she feels like she was sort of immediately thrust into this position. I think it's overwhelming. I think the whole experience for everyone is overwhelming. And then all these things come up and we're off-world and we have no resources or very little resources. There is a lot of stress and a lot of insecurities, and I think she takes a lot of that on. I typically play really confident, kind of ass-kicking characters. So it is nice to have that inner struggle. I think all of us are very interested in the coming scripts. Like, we get them in our trailer. I'm like, did you read it? I remember when I got episode 4, we had, finished this long, kind of grueling pilot, because it was 3 episodes and it was all together and it was sort of new set, everyone was new in town, and then we got episode 4, and I actually was just going to read my character because it was like midnight. I got home and I was like running a bath, and I'm like, I'm just going to read what happens tomorrow. And I'm like, I read one scene and I was like, wait, what happened? And I had to go back and I couldn't put it down. It was so good. Joining just the franchise of Stargate is huge. So that was exciting in itself, and then being that they want to take it a whole new direction is also exciting.